Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier and plan support roaming. Call or use the carrier app to verify allowances and charges because rates differ by country. Next, update iOS and backup settings. This avoids surprises. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and keep the phone above 20% battery so change is complete without interruption. Make sure to note your current network and APN settings in case you need to restore them later. You now enable roaming. Go to Settings, tap Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, and toggle data roaming on. This allows your iPhone to use partner networks abroad. If the phone does not connect automatically, turn off automatic network selection and manually pick a listed local carrier. This forces registration. Once you select a carrier, restart the phone so the SIM negotiates with the network freshly. Also, test data and calls. You finish by optimizing usage. Enable low data mode, disable background app refresh, and prefer Wi-Fi calling when available. This minimizes roaming charges and prolongs battery life. If you expect long stays, consider purchasing a local eSIM or short-term data plan. It's often cheaper than carrier roaming. If service fails, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then disable it. Reinsert the SIM or reset network settings as a last resort to clear registration faults. That should restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.